Hey everyone, welcome to this fascinating world of cloud and cloud computing. So, without wasting any time, let's start by understanding what cloud is all about. Let's start by understanding what cloud or cloud computing is all about. So, basically, in this video, we are not jumping into technical aspect at all. Uh, we will take it step by step using simple day-to-day language. As we move forward in this course, you will naturally and definitely become comfortable with all the technical terms. So for now, you just relax and focus on the idea behind the cloud. Yep. So the technical aspects of the cloud, I am 100% sure that you yourself will come to know at the end of this course. Yep. So let's start with understanding what is cloud or cloud computing. So here there are three words. Okay, basically cloud means you are using the computers. How you are using computers? With the help of internet, and you are not owning them. Okay, you are not owning the computers. That's it. So you are basically using someone else's computer through the internet, and you are paying only for what you use. You are paying only for what you use. It means you are basically on rent. Very simple. That's it. Yep. So let's go to the blackboard and we'll see one simple example so that you can have a clear picture of cloud. Okay, I hope everyone knows this, but just to make the things quite simpler, I'm just giving an example. So this is a cloud, and here there are so many computers, and cloud provides other service as well. So just stick to computers only at this time by now. Okay, so this is my computer which I am using at home. So I don't want to use this computer at my home. What I'll do, I will use the computer which is present in cloud. And to use this computer, I will pay rent. That's the idea of computing or the cloud computing or the cloud concept, as simple as that. So let's take a very simple real world example. Yep. So think that you are going to say a new city for a short project. Means you are going some to the city or some town for a short project. What you will do, you won't buy house there, right? You just go and look for a rented house, right? You just pay how much time you spend, how much month you stay there, with all their utilizing all their furnitures or electricity and so on. You just pay on the time you use that house, and then once you are done with your work, you just come back. No need to pay. Simple. This is what the cloud is all about. Now the question is, what cloud gives you? Simple answer is, it will gives you everything to run the show. It means cloud gives you computers, it gives you storage, or the other security services, or the softwares, and networking and all. So in short, it gives you everything that is required to run your business or any kind of application. Like this, you don't buy them, you just go for a rent. And this term is very important. It means you just buy them on demand. Say that, let's take one more example here. Say that there is a huge festival coming in, and you want more computers to handle the traffic. So if you're not using cloud, what happens? Let me go to Blackboard. Whereas this, suppose there is a huge festival coming in, okay, and you have only 5 computers. Let's assume in this way, okay. But looking at the load on your website, this system expect at least 100 computers. So what you will do, you cannot buy 100 computers and put all on your desks, right? So at this time, what you will do is, the best option is go to cloud, get some computers, 100 computers, right? And once the festival is over, you just release them to the cloud. As simple as that. Okay, it means that pay when you want to use, release them when you want to do use, don't when you don't want to use, and you don't need to pay for it. But in case of on premise, you use it or don't use it, you have to pay the things to buy all these resources. Yep. So this is very important. On demand, this is the concept of on demand. See, we are just in a beginner phase. We will gradually learn when we move forward. Make sense? Next is, what is Google Cloud? Google Cloud in a very simple language. Now let's slowly move into Google Cloud without getting technical here as well. So GCP stands for Google Cloud Platform. It means you are using Google's computers, you are using Google's networks, you are using Google service. So all this infrastructure, whatever you are using on a rent, is owned and managed by the Google Cloud. That's the difference. So before, in this example, okay, let me erase this. We have a big Google Cloud Platform, GCP, and here you will find lot of computers, you will find lot of storages, you will find lot of security features, networking, AI, ML, all the things, and these computers are owned by Google. This all infrastructure is owned by Google, and you are using the Google Cloud's infrastructure, and this is known as Google Cloud. Very simple as that. So Google Cloud is one of the major cloud platforms nowadays, and we have other popular cloud providers like AWS, that is Amazon Web Services, and we have Azure from Microsoft. So all of them follow the same basic idea: use their infrastructure instead of owning your own. And what you can do using Google Cloud, you can do almost everything. Simple as that. You can run the application, you can use it for storage, process big data, AI, ML, APIs, whatnot. Almost everything you can do. Yep. So in short, you can build and run almost anything using Google Cloud. Yeah. So let's stop here for now, because if we go any deeper, uh, we will enter the territory. I mean, we'll enter the technical territory, and that's coming next. We'll gradually pick up that point as well. So that's all in this session. Next session, we will move into understanding the other concepts which are very, very important for the getting the fundamentals strong. I mean, getting the basics strong. So thanks for watching this. See you in the next video very soon. Have a good day. Bye.